Hi guys, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the air signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is coming next for you? Yeah, what is coming next for you? So, you guys are amazing. Thank you guys for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. And thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, and so many good vibes from me to you guys. So, yeah, guys, let's start your reading. This is for the air signs Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, yeah, guys. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay. So cards are just flying round and round. Okay. Let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. What is coming next for you? What is coming next for you? Whoa! So 4 of Wands are coming next for you. It must be a marriage, commitment, living together situation, but very strong, stable foundation of the relation. Wow. Okay. What? Sun. Wow. Empress. Really? I have shuffled the cards a lot and then wow. Fool. So 1, 2, 3. Three major arcanas on a row. Wow. 7 of Wands. Page of Wands. Queen of Swords. Here you are. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Chariot. 8 of Cups. 9 of Pentacles. Okay. 8 and 9. So you are in ascension mode, in ascension period. Someone is watching you by doing this. Page of Swords is here under the deck, and you don't know about it that someone is watching you or detecting about you. Okay, so 4 of Wands is your overall energy, which is great. And wow, like really. So there is an opportunity of opportunity coming your way. There is an offer coming your way which can give you a very stable connection, a very long-term partnership, a very strong foundation relationship that is coming your way. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, it's great. With the Sun, Empress, and Fool card, I'm feeling that some of you are dealing with Leo, uh, Taurus, Libra, Aries, Cancer, Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, yeah, or another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Okay, so Sun, Empress, and Fool card are telling me that there is something you were feeling very happy about, you were feeling very fresh, very new, because these 3 cards are all about new, the newness. Sun, the new day, the new hope. Empress, the new like growth. Okay, and abundance, prosperity, success. Fool is also a new journey, a new life, a new beginning. So definitely something new is coming your way, and you are also intuitively know that something new and something very big is coming your way. Wow. And all are positive. Wow. Very positive reading, very newness, very fresh energy, very happy energy from your readings. Wow. Okay, with the 7 of Wands, Page of Wands, and the Queen of Swords are telling me that definitely you are taking a leap of faith towards something new because this is Page of Wands. So you are taking a leap of faith towards new thing, and you are in the creation mode. You are trying to create something new for you, which makes you happy and which makes you very in your element, in your balance, in truth, in clarity, because air signs only want clarity, wisdom, clear things, balance, yeah, truth. With the Chariot, Eight of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles, something is coming very swiftly towards you, and I'm feeling that now you, when the thing is coming your way, or if it is a person, they're coming your way, you are walking away from them because they are coming for you and you are not seeing in their direction, you are seeing away from them. Why? Because you have manifested this and you have wished for this, and you are trying to find the balance, you are trying to find your inner self, you're trying to make yourself abundant, independent, mature, balanced, confident. Okay, the person or the thing or the offer is coming your way. I'm feeling this is a person who is coming your way, and you are just want to make yourself balance first, and then this union. What is the Four of Wands about? What is the Four of Wands about? For the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, what is... Wow. Emperor. We have the Empress already. Five of Swords. Ace of Wands. Okay. So there is a person. Wow. Who want to... okay. Who want to create something new with you. With this Ace of Wands. It must be a baby, or because passion is there. You can see divine masculine, divine feminine, and the passion. Wow. Wow. It's amazing. See. Okay. So definitely the person is seeing the growth in you. That's why they're coming for you, because you are their right match with the Emperor and Empress energy. And but you are feeling that the person is a little bit manipulative with the Five of Swords energy, and that's why you are taking a time to think. The person is very very I just want to say mature person. They have their home, business, everything, their bank account, and like they have everything to give you, to provide you, but you want to have yourself like very independent as well, because Queen of Swords only want truth and clarity, equality, balance, nothing else. And they are willing to provide you, but there is some little bit manipulation on their part, which you don't like, that which you don't like. What is this Fool energy? What is this Fool energy for the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, please? Temptation, Justice. Wow. Four of Cups. Okay. For some of you, I'm feeling that you are trying to walk away from a karmic partner, because this is devil, which is Capricorn, karma, Saturn, and that's why you are trying to move away from the karmic partner, because you don't want to stuck in a loop of karma. Yeah, you just don't want to be stuck in the karmic loop, in the karmic pattern of the person, because this is also karma, justice. Whatever you will do, that will come back to you. So this is that, and that's why you just don't want to stuck in any kind of bad pattern of the karmic relationship. You just want equality, balance, and newness and fresh energy. That's why you are rejecting the karmic person or the karmic pattern of your life, and you want equality and balance and new life. Okay, this is great. Everyone wants this. Everyone wants balance, equality, healing, and good karma, because you are a good person, you are a very nice person, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, You're a very nurturing person. You're a very loving person. Wow. So everyone wants the piece of yours. Wow. Attention. What is this page of wands about for the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius? Three of wands, Hierophant, transformation. Yeah. Eight of wands under the deck. Okay, I want to take it because they are trying to take it. Eight of wands. Okay. I'm feeling that Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, they are coming for you for the marriage. They're coming for you for the marriage. Definitely. And they want to transform the situation with you. They want growth with you, because if that was any kind of, there was breakup, so they want to, this is rebirth after the death, and you have transformed a lot, and you have become a mature person. They want communication so that they can work things out with you. They also want communication and clarity and growth with you. That's why they're coming for you, for this commitment with you. Three of wands and the Hierophant. They want commitment. They want marriage, because we have now two marriage cards, and also divine masculine, divine feminine energy, and passion with for each other. So this is universe guiding both of you towards each other, and they are also coming for you passionately, and they are expecting from you that you will accept their offer. Wow. That's why they are in rushing. Wow, they are in swift energy. What is this Chariot? What is this Chariot about? Two of Wands, Nine of Cups. Okay. Hanged Man, yeah. They know that they had made you stuck before, and because before they were on the crossroads with the Two of Wands. They didn't make their decision as quick as you want in the past, but now they want to move fast things with you. They want to make it quick, the marriage. Yeah. And you are their emotional contentment. They can feel very they're feeling very content and complete with you, because this is also completion with the nines here. Nine of Pentacles, Nine of Cups. So yeah, this is the completion of the past cycle, and also is new beginnings are also coming for you, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I'm feeling very happy for you, very happy, because this is marriage, and marriage life is also start of a happy life. So what is this Eight of Cups? What are you searching for? Three of Cups. Yeah. Judgment, which is the Judgment. Ace of Cups. Wow. So definitely they have now realized that you are their true love, and universe has pushed them from their back towards you. Universe is pushing them towards you, and you have to accept them, because this is the decision of the universe also. So many major arcanas in your reading. Wow. So universe wants this marriage, universe wants this growth, this connection. Wow. Empress, Emperor, and the Four of Wands, and then the Hierophant. Wow. So yeah, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, this is I have for you very strong connection, and they want marriage. So I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. New beginnings are on your way. So yeah guys, bye.